Welcome. The Cartardis company, expert in the printing market for more than 40 years, presents its Gespage software and its LEXMARK embedded terminal. The video we are going to present will discuss user authentication, secure print release, advanced scan and basic MFP functions. To get started, enter your username and your password or print code. You can also pass your badge on the Cartardis card reader. To select or deselect your pending impressions, simply click on the desired line. After selecting a job, you will be able to see the document information, color, duplex, number of pages, cost and date. On the right side of the screen is the modification of the job. This allows you to modify your pending prints. Force black and white, change the copy number, or double-sided. These changes allow you to be a player on the environmental impact of your impressions. Release printing directly with the embedded terminal by pressing the printer icon. If you want to delete selected impressions, press the trash icon. If you want to access another service, just click on the back arrow at the top left. The scan function allows you to either send a scan automatically to the user's email address with the option of processing such as OCR, in a predefined directory, or even on Google Drive. The scan button at the bottom left allows you to change your default settings. The one on the right will release your scan. The copy function automatically redirects you to the basic function of the MFP. To disconnect, click twice on the home button or switch your card to the card reader. For more information, visit www.gespage.com.